would like each one of you to share your experience. So Manishika, you'll start.
Yeah. So, hi, my name is Manishika, and I have just completed my graduation from Jesus and Mary College. I did the pros relationship counseling with HRs, and it was an amazing experience. Over the 2-day workshop, we learned a lot of new models, and along with that, we also got the chance to actually practice those models and practice how we would interact with the client. So that was really a plus point because a lot of workshops or uh, lot of courses do not offer the practice sessions. So it was a great experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Manishika. Who would like to go next?
Okay, I will.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, I'm Anshul. I'm into coaching and training, and I just attended this program on relationship counseling. It was a good session, 2 full days of intense session, I would say, where a lot of discussions happened along with practice sessions, which helped us to not only understand the theory but also implement it. And what I liked about the session was the way now I am clear about how to take sessions and how to be with the flow so that I know how it is going and how to take it with my client. Some of the key aspects that I learned were like what are the major points and the conflicts, what actually contributes to conflict. That was a whole lot of idea which was shared on this, and I liked it a lot. And besides the understanding of types of people or personality, which ultimately leads to conflict. So all this put together, I would say it gives me a solid ground and understanding and gives me confidence to take it further after this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anshu. You'll go next, shall we? Yeah. Yes.
Hello all, I'm Shalini. I'm a healthcare practitioner. Here, the 2 day session of relationship counseling, I've learned the basic skeleton of how to conduct sessions and how to go around in each session, how to set the client's expectations, the outcome, what they can expect from it, which is very crucial. Basically, the basics of things so that can be extrapolated personally depending upon the scenario. And thanks, Divya, for patiently answering everything, all our silly doubts, all the questions and any point at every point of time you have been very patient and very approachable and warm. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So Siddhika, we're left with you.
Yeah. So I just want to know, hi, my name is Sadhika. I am based in Dubai, and I did this course on relationship coaching. I've also done my NLP basic course and my CPT. But I should say the way they conducted the course, it was extremely professional, and they even gave us so much extra information, which has equipped us, to take independent sessions. A very interactive session, though it's online. It didn't feel like you're missing out on anything. There were breakout rooms where we had intense discussion, and overall very satisfied with the course content.
Thank you, Siddhika. So that brings us to the end of this workshop.